see anything.
I'll open the curtains.
What time is it?
It's 4 in the morning.
Mom, why are we in the supermarket when the rest of the world's asleep?
Because winners wake up early so they get the best out of life.
Ew. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize you wanted it.
I think you had your hand on it first, Gumball.
But she's just an old lady.
An old lady who's going to lose.
Yeah, well, we'll see about that.
What the? Ow! Ow! Okay, ow! She's hitting me!
Win the chicken, Gumball.
Go on, kid, give it your best shot.
This chicken is... Come on!
Good job. So, how does it feel to win, son?
Don't know. Oh, yeah. Like an old lady hitting me in the face with a wet fish! The desert?
Yes? You're walking home.
No! Don't you dare leave me! She'll be back.
Nothing was ever enough! You forced me to join a gazillion after-school clubs!
We gave you every possible chance to succeed!
Yeah! All at the same time!
I don't want to be a winner! I'd rather be a disappointment to you than live like this.
What? Gumball? Oh, no! Disappointed? I could never be disappointed in you. I just saw your potential, that's all, and I wanted you to reach it. I'm sorry if I upset you. Please, just take the flag, my little trooper. You've earned it.
Thanks, Mom. Did you just try and shoot me in the back?
No?
There! You happy now?
So, you're gonna take down that chart now?
Yep, Gumball won fair and square.
Difficult. I was just about to make a breakthrough with my turkey scissors.
Life keeps moving on. I can't hold all your fall.